Okay, so hello guys and welcome back to another video. आज अपन लोग क्या करेंगे गेम कहाँ गया ये रहा यस आज अपन लोग वापस से आ गए हैं गेम में कार्स माय कार्स M8 कंपटीशन सेलेक्टेड है मेरे भाई ने लगता है खेला है गेम कल तो मुझे भी नहीं खेलने दिया ओके डू दिस कार राइट हियर Forza edition Evija Lotus Evija. It's so hard to control. एक सेकंड मैं दिखाता हूँ. Let me show you people. Campaign settings मेरा भाई ने ओके सेटिंग्स तो सबसे अरे यार ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल ये वाला ऑन कर देता हूँ. लास्ट वाली वीडियो के बाद मैंने चेक किया तो पता चला मेरा ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल ऑन था. आई मीन इस कार में तो ऑन ही चाहिए. एक सेकंड फिर ऑन करना पड़ेगा. ओके एक सेकंड यार एक सेकंड. अरे क्लच दबाने के बाद भी चलती है ऑटोमेटिक कार्स ब्रो. नॉट द कार्स कैंपेन सेटिंग्स. ओके अभी के लिए करते हैं. नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. द पावर मैन. See, I just can never put my feet entirely on the pedal bro. इसमें क्या है लाइक होता है ना लोग पैर पूरा रख के चलाते हैं. नहीं, not in this one. Let's go. See अभी दिखाता हूँ. No amount of traction control can control this car. See, just we're right here. Okay. See. Check this car out. What the? Let's do this today. Not the car. Of course, not the car. There was an event right here. Oka, bhai, Oka cross country circuit. यार ये कर रखा है क्या? नहीं किया है. Brother, I've got this car for the event. I mean, it's a nice car, but ऑप्शन में सिर्फ एक ही कार है मेरे पास. Why? I mean, this is not good. Dude, look at those cars and look at my car. Okay, we'll start. Not a problem. No problemo. Perfect shifting. Perfect. On brother, are these drag tires? I'll check later. I'll just check later. Mother. Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this can be disturbed just too easily. Let me fix it properly. Okay. YouTube is so hard, but The setup behind YouTube is harder. There is something else that's harder, but okay, we won't talk about that. Okay, it's better. It's better. Yep, it's better. Okay, let's continue. Uh, where were we? Okay, we were here. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. We got it, we got it, we got it. No, brother, oh my god. What kind of a car is this, man? Even a lot of sports cars are better than this one. I can I cannot just full send this car. Oh no 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 no. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. A little drift. Okay. Okay. Let's just focus on passing this guy. The number 10 guy. Oh no. Come on. Bro. Okay, okay, let's take it super slow. Why am I going this wide, man? Oh, I'm just spinning out the entire race and doing nothing else here. Okay, we need to take this. Okay, okay, we got it, we got it, we got it. Okay, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, we got it, we got it. But someone passed us. Someone effing passed us, man. Okay. This is such a shit car, bro. No, no, no. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's not go like this, bro. We are in the last. Bro, should I just go ahead and buy a car for this? What am I doing? I'm just gonna fail the event, bro. Okay. I've got an idea. So I, as you guys can see, I am a noob. But how will my AI drive my car? Let's see. Brother, my AI is better than me. Uh, Not a problem. Let's. No. I disabled it at the wrong time. At literally the wrong time. And here I am, being such a noob. New. I cannot even see my opponents from here. Okay. I I guess we got it. Okay. Yep. Oh, okay, but this run was better for a newbie like me. Because bro, the only thing I have done till now in this game is just go on and drift and stuff. Okay, we finished. Dead last. This is the only thing we can do. We can just go on ahead. Bro, the amount of difference we have from the 11th guy. And to be honest, from the first guy, it's almost the same, but yeah, about 1.5 minutes faster. We should just stick to drifting, I guess. We should just go on ahead and stick to drifting. Or, just a second. I guess, turn home. Brother, my brother just used all of the wheel spins. The state reward 200 credits literally. Oh, oh, okay. We've got a super wheels and right. Let's see our luck. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. A car would have been nice, but I'll take it. I'll take it for sure. Such an unused car, bro. Okay, let's fast travel. Then we'll just go on ahead and start our drifting.
Welcome back, Captain.
Auto show or auction house? I should just check something in my auction house. I've got some money, some big money. Let's see. Like, can we get something in X class? Okay, drift cars. Or GT cars. Okay, let's go for drift cars. Make any confirm. Ah, no auctions. Such auctions. S2 confirm. Okay, okay, we've got some, we've got some. What even is this thing? Lariat? All of them are these pickup trucks. Okay, now I understand why I can just not do this. I've got this already. This is the one, I guess. Like, we just got some money right here. 200k. No bids right now. What's special in this one, bro? Okay. This 768, 763. Let's see the top one. 751. Oh, but it's 244. Is the seller good? Is the seller good? Uh, I'll just scroll and stop. Okay. Okay. Not this car. We have already got this car. Okay, let's see this one, this one, this one. It's another effing truck. Oh, what's the obsession with these trucks, bro? I mean, wait. Mazda RX-8. It's not owned and it's pretty cheap. I mean, it's actually really cheap. Handling is shitty. Okay, let's go back. Bro, it's sold out. It's sold out. Let's check this one out. Okay. It's heavy. It's heavy, brother. It's heavy. handling is bad too, but the speed is not the problem in a drift event. Okay, let's check this one out. The weight is almost the same. Bro, why is front 54%? We need less weight in the front now. I don't know. Should I just get a truck or something? Like this truck right here. I mean, 717. Should I just go all in? GT Fiorano. Let's check this out. Let's just check this. Okay, 105k, 5 minutes. Displacement 6. Okay, see, this is what I'm talking about. Front 47%. Rear-wheel drive, handling 5. See this. See this. Check out the speed, bro. The speed was good, but still, we need something that can handle itself. Let's search again for options. S2. Literally all the trucks, bro. All the trucks right here. Owned. Let's just go like this and nope. Like this, nope. Like this, no. And this right here. Okay, the car that I'm gonna choose is it this? Let's check it out. All-wheel drive is kind of good. It's kind of good, yeah. Handling 5.4, acceleration is good, launch is good, braking is good. Should I buy it? Let's go. I'll take the truck. I'll just go ahead and take the truck, bro. Done. What? Wait, what? No, the starting bid is 400. Bro, did I get the car? Did I get the truck? If not, it'll be just insane. Car, at least just let me change the car. Let's go with the Mustang Drift. Hell yeah. Now let's just change the settings and remove the traction control. Okay, let's go. And then we'll go campaign drive. Okay, we are right here. Let's try drifting this thing. Oh my god, brother, it just wants to go. Not like this, not okay, let's take it to somewhere we can drift. Drift. Okay, right here. We have to get a star. Let's just fast travel. Yes. Okay, let's complete this video with something cool. Okay, okay, okay. I mean, let's just go back. Where was the start of this trip? Just a second. Okay. Okay, so that's the start of this trip. This is some power right here, guys. This is some power right here. Okay. 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 How much is it? 52. Okay. This car is a bit interesting, I will say. Let's go from the up, man. And here we go off the road. Okay. Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh, nah, man. We can. I guess with this car we can. No. Wait. No. We failed. We have been failed. No. It does a 360 so easily. Okay. So from now on, this is our favorite car. No. Let's go right here, and then this is not what we wanted, man. Okay, let's do this one last time. Okay, we went too wide. We went too wide. Uh, driver skill issue. Okay, okay. We we were good till here, I guess. We messed up after here. Okay, so we failed again. Let's try handbrake once. Oh no 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 no. We kinda did it. Ah, we didn't. Okay, at least we got this skill point. No, brother, what? We can cook here, man. Okay, okay, we did cook a little. We did cook a little. We did cook a little. Again, we did cook a little, but just a little. And we were about to fail here. Okay. Can we cook here? Can we cook here? Can we cook? No 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 no. We cannot for sure. And here we go. Here we go. No no no. Here we don't go. At least we complete. At least we complete. We didn't complete. We didn't complete, brother. How do we like change and connect? This is exactly not how we connect. Okay, this is kinda better than going into the woods, I guess. Let's try this again. Okay. we are entering the drift just so easily here. Okay, okay, we kinda did something. It was something. I mean, I know it was something. Okay, last turn for us to redeem. And we failed. We failed almost at the last checkpoint. Again, this is my last attempt to redeem myself. No. I, I guess there is no redemption. Let's try. Okay, we saved it. At least we saved it. No, brother. Okay, 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 okay. Last attempt, last attempt, last attempt. Last attempt, last attempt, last attempt. New PB? Can we hit the new PB? Can we? No, 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 no. Oh, we did hit the new PB. We did hit the new PB. We were close to getting 1 star. Okay, but I have to do my rehab now. So we'll try to hit the 1 star mark, 1 star goal that we kept in this video in our next video, and we will do it. Yeah, we will. We will do it. I mean, kinda we can like do it, not for sure, but yeah. Till then, like, subscribe, share, and comment if you wanna watch the next video.